In this video, I'll show you how to install the Rain Droplets Effect Mod in GTA 4 and make rainy weather look more realistic. Check my video description for this mod link. Select the download option. Wait for 30 seconds. Select the download now option. After download done, check my video description for this Fusion effects. Select the download option and wait for 15 seconds. Select the download now option. After download done, check this folder icon. I click on the Fusion Fix and select WinRAR and select Extract to. Open the extracted folder. Before installing the Fusion Fix, navigate to the game folder. Copy the GTA 4 game folder and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the Fusion Fix. Select the browse for another folder and navigate to the GTA 4 game folder. Select it and select folder option. Select the path we selected. Installation finished. Close stuff here. Back to downloads folder. Right click on the GTA 4 droplets and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Open the plugins folder. Drag and drop these two files inside of our plugins folder. Now close stuff here and launch the game. When it rains, you see water drops on the screen, just like real rain on your camera or windshield. I will add before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.